To remove and install the battery on your Scrambler XP 1000S, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Set the parking brake. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Unlatch the front storage compartment and pull back to access the light bar connector. Unplug the connector underneath and remove the storage rack. Remove the battery hold-down fastener and slide the hold-down rearward to remove. Remove the black negative battery cable fastener and set aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then remove the red positive battery cable fastener and set the cable aside. Tip: reinstall the cable fasteners into the battery posts to prevent misplacement. Lift the battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery and result in a shorter life. It can also hinder the vehicle's performance. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery into the battery holder. Install the red positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Install the black negative cable last and torque to specification. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Cables should be safely tucked away in the front and rear of the battery. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Install the battery hold-down bracket and protective cover. Install the battery hold-down fastener and torque to specification. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reconnect the light bar harness and reinstall the front storage rack by aligning the front retaining tabs and securing the front latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.